Progressive dimensional toning is used to accentuate layers and to create movement and dimension to layered haircut. It can be created by using 2 to 3 different tones or colors. Utilizing harmonious colors, a velvet, cotton or silk effect is given to the hair. This technique can be used on various shapes, creating movement and dimension to accentuate the layering pattern.
Conduct a creative consultation. Prepare the hair with the fundamental new growth application using Formula 1. Ensure to lift the new growth to a very pale yellow undertone to create a clean canvas for the toning technique. Rinse and remove with TIGI Copyright Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. We recommend including SOS Extreme Recovery Treatment as part of the blonding service. Start by taking a parting from the high recession on either side to the top crown. Isolate with sectioning clips. From the top crown, take a profile parting, followed by a radial parting on either side. This gives a total of 5 sections. Put on protected gloves and start the application at the nape area. Working with the hair's natural texture and density, take V-shaped partings upwards through the section and apply Formula 2 from the roots through to the ends. At the next parting, use a freehand technique to apply Formula 3 to the length and the ends. Continue working in the same way within the partings, alternating the colours through the length and the ends. Continue upwards to the crown area, then repeat the same technique on the opposite side. Keep alternating the formulas through the lengths and the ends. Progress onto the crown area and apply Formula 2 from the roots through to the ends. Isolate all partings with mesh. Move on to the side section and continue taking V-shaped sections, working within the texture and density of the hair. Within the first parting, apply Formula 2 from the roots through to the ends. Then, alternate the formulas through the lengths and ends. Take horizontal partings from the high recession to the profile and apply Formula 2 from the roots through to the ends. Repeat on the opposite side. At the fringe area, take a V-shaped parting and apply Formula 2 from the roots to ends. Within the second parting, use the freehand technique to apply Formula 3 through the length and ends. Apply Formula 2 to the remaining hair, working from the roots through to the ends. Process for up to 20 minutes. Rinse and remove with your recommended TIGI copyright care regime.
Oh.